The hairs are combed backwards, so you can just take some hairspray and comb the hairs back. That's already done. So the bleach I'm using today is BW2, 1 scoop. Alright, so I used 2 scoops. 20 developer. 20 developer is perfect because it doesn't move too fast or too slow. When you're using like crazy developers like 40 and 50, it has like a higher chance of turning like yellow or orange, and we don't want that. So I'm going to pour just a little bit at a time because I want it super duper thick. Can you see? So I'm just going to keep mixing because sometimes it's a little deceiving. Like you think you need more and really you just didn't mix that well. So I mixed it really well. It's looking crumbly, and that means I need more developer. So this is the consistency I have. Pretty thick, kind of like toothpaste. You want it thick because you don't want it to seep through and bleach the hair. You only want it to get on the knots. I'm gonna lift the closure off of the counter and I'm gonna start at the end. And I'm pressing gently. I'm not really, am I pressing? Not really. Literally just enough for the lightener to get on the knots. I'm starting from the back because the back tends to be a little bit more dense, so you want that to have a little bit more time than the front. And then I'm working my way toward the hairline. I want to keep most of the product on the tip of the brush because that's going to help me not press so hard. And I'm making sure to always lift. I'm not laying the bleach on there while the closure is flat on the counter, because that can cause seep-through. It can make you press too hard. All the bleach is on the closure now, and what I'm going to do is just flip it over and make sure that all the knots on the hairline are covered, which they are. And then also just separate the hair slightly and make sure that you only got the bleach on the knots and not the hair. If you did get some on the hair, get as much as you can off with a paper towel. Set a timer for 20 minutes.
Your timer is set for 20 minutes.
Basically, we have 4 minutes left. So it's been 16 minutes and I flipped it over and the knots are ready. Like they're definitely ready. They're like a light brown. I'm using cool water to rinse out the closure and I'm letting the water do most of the work. Now I'm going in with Joico's purple shampoo just to eat up some of that orangey color. This is the matching conditioner, the purple conditioner. And this is what we are looking like. This is how we are coming. No orange knots, no brassiness, no yellow knots, just perfectly bleached knots.